The law relating to drug offences in Victoria is complex and requires skillful navigation to achieve successful outcomes. It's very important to engage a criminal lawyer at an early stage in proceedings. There are often many different agencies that will have an involvement in criminal proceedings for analysis of evidence, be it of drugs or, for example, of technology such as an analysis of a person's mobile phone. I've worked in many drug cases around Victoria, both in the summary stream at magistrates' court levels and in the indictable stream in the County Court and Supreme Court. My experience, I feel, provides me with an advantage with respect to these particular cases. I know which areas to target and when, and what advantages are to be gained when there need to be. A previous client of mine I represented, he was an unusual case where he was facing an extended police surveillance operation. The evidence against him was quite overwhelming. He was not the typical client in that he grew up in a life where he was well educated, came from a respectable family, and had not grown up in that environment at all. He was really thrown into that lifestyle through necessity and cooperated with police at every stage of their investigation. So when he came to me, it was extraordinarily unusual that a person had thrown themselves at the mercy of police. This created quite an obstacle for me because the evidence was overwhelmingly strong in all aspects. He was looking at an ultimate sentence, a jail sentence, of between 8 to 12 years. I wasn't prepared to accept that on his behalf, and I was determined to try and achieve a better outcome for him. In the end, through persistent and hard-edged negotiation over a long period of time, we were able to achieve a significant reduction in the charges he was facing, and ultimately his sentence was handed down in the county court as only 4 years. As criminal lawyers, it's very important to keep in mind the necessity for rehabilitation of these individuals to achieve the best outcome before a judge or magistrate. More broadly speaking, there's a moral importance, I believe, towards helping people take that first step towards a new chapter in their life and a life away from the void they've fallen into. And that's one of the elements of working in these particular cases that I find the most fulfilling.